Alright, so this is the Royal NK channel, and then my name is NK. By the end of today's video, we are going to outdo, or we are going to unlearn, or we are going to stay away from 5 major money mistakes that we make in our 20s. So if you are interested, which I know you are, guys, if you are interested, hop on the train, smash the like button already. If you've not yet subscribed, please add yourself to the Royal NK family. Subscribe to this channel, and then also hit on the notification bell icon, so you are going to get yourself notified when we upload any video. Let's get straight into it, guys. Alright guys, this is the Royal NK channel, and then my name still remains NK. Let's get it started. Not planning for your retirement. Not planning for your retirement. You should know, say, 20 sir, you should know that Ayana, it is fun. Ayana, sometimes you feel, say, 20s to 60 day, massa time move, you understand? 40 years gap, time move. Until retirement, but then I should tell you, or you should know that time passes so quick, time passes so fast, you understand? There are so many companies that insure people's life or retirement plans, you understand? Our Ghana had him saying, I think we have the SNET, and the government approved, you understand? And the Ghana government as Yankasa. Now, SNET, now what they do is, any company that you go work in, it is mandatory for them, say, register with SNET. You get it? So if they go register you with SNET now, well, monthly allowance, or take 18%, or SNET deducts 18% from your monthly allowance. Normally, they are two for your retirement plan. You understand? So if you are working in the company right now and then you don't get any notification from SNET, or you are not enrolled in SNET, or you are not registered with SNET, when you register, so when they take this 18% off, normally at all, you wouldn't get the 18% less till so bad then ube drew 60. Now if you are saying but then so any other secondary and I say any alternative insurance companies were their SNET A&E, they just have to split that 18%. No, SNET would take 13% and then give 5% to the alternate one. You understand? Me personally, me use Petra. You get it? So after SNET at your 13, no, they give Petra 5% and then they run on the compound interest. You get it? So let's all have fun planning for retirement. Let's all have it in mind that age will catch up with us very, very soon. You understand? This point might sound cliche. This point might sound say, what it say for can nothing they happen and all. But make I tell you something there. Running at a debt or going into debt because of your wedding is, sorry to say, it is. You understand? I understand. So every youth, I understand. Say every millennial, I understand. Say will be one in the 20s would love to have a fancy wedding. But nigga, don't go break banks. Don't go scatter your accounts because you want to wed. You know this. Just one day and now 2 days. Across from max 2 days. So why do you need to go and then break your bank because of just a day's occasion? Now, if we are one breath, you know, that is not sensible enough. Guys, I beg, I am talking as a millennial. I am talking as a person I'm in my 20s. Don't go into debts because of a wedding. Guy, now him say you can only afford 4,000 for a wedding. Feel free, do it. Or when I say I'll bet me afford 10,000. Only at a debt. I'll bet me why do you have to go spend so much money on a wedding when you know it's over fear and for a ball asking for their money and all? People go to jail because of stuff like this. And then mind you, I understand women like flash weddings. I understand women like flashy weddings. That is their own thing. I understand. But take it from me as a guy. Boss you are just going to disappoint her. Now, if you have got any problem between yourself and the lady, which wouldn't be good for your marriage, and then which wouldn't secure your financial future, it would rather break it down because you would have to spend your whole time, and as you would have to spend your whole years now trying to trying to pay debts. You can't save, you can't do anything. So I advise you as a brother, I advise you as a friend, please don't go into a debt because of a wedding. Don't break your banks. Don't break your legs because of weddings, please. Sometimes it is quite funny. Obi Ejuma 1,000 Ghana cedis, Obi Ejuma 2,000 Ghana cedis, but then pursue use iPhone 12 Pro Max. Come on. Obi Ejuma 500 cedis, but then a person on share some Louboutin, or person on share some Air Force, or person on share anything a brony wage. So guy, my lady, I am telling you, or I am begging you, please act according to your wage. If you know, say you draw 1,000 now, like just break it down. Who breaking it down now? What person will save you 200? For 200, don't come out, man. You have to go give 400 to your father. Like the back canon, what they been so sure. So there is no need for you to just impress anybody by buying stuff. I know. There is no point in living extravagantly. You understand? The best I mention, no. If you know you can't afford it, don't hurt yourself by doing so. If you know you can afford a smaller phone, go buy it. When him so bit me afford the yama, go buy it. If you when him say atari abeshe no nebo nya dey na wo share no be feel comfortable, go buy it. Don't go break banks. Don't go spoiling or damaging your financial future because you want to just look good. You can look good on a budget. It is more or less like living a champagne life with a palm wine budget. You understand? And I beg, live or act according to your wage. Don't go extreme. Budgeting is good. Budgeting is a way of securing your financial future. Budgeting is a way of thinking financially, you understand? Impulse buying, baby. It is more or less like that is the result of not being a budgeting person or not budgeting for your income or anything. A month, just list everything I will be here. Put it on a sheet of paper. You get it? Now, no, all is still we are. Allocate money, say, be a make a top door no 200 cedis, ABS say 400 ABS say. When we are no one allocate a place obey your savings. Don't spend all of it because I asked you to budget. You understand? I am only asking you to budget because I don't want you to get yourself involved in any impulse buying or anything. You understand? So just set a budget. Guy, per sheet, take a pen. You'll be here within a month. You get it? You would know, so I am not exceeding my budgeted plan. I am not exceeding the stuff on my budget. It is a self-discipline act. You get it? Just start to budget, and then I can assure you that your financial security or your financial future is secured. You understand? Emergencies. Emergencies don't give you notifications. Emergencies don't give you reminders that guy, I come next week, so you do prepare. You understand? So I don't think you're going to have a notification on your iPhone or your Samsung or your Itel or any other smartphone that next week it's not gonna copy 4,000 but one about the portion. It doesn't work that way. All I mean is you should be prepared all the time. You should be prepared all the time. You get it? Anything can happen. Be a bit messy at any point in time. Be a bit messy. So why don't you put money aside for emergencies? Why don't you get yourself prepared for stuff like that? Here in Ghana, say be a ubibiwa. Many other times, you 1 week, a week after seeing the. So answer me. What if say when you're prepared, now will be you? What if say when you're prepared, now was on Kotade? What if say when you're prepared, now was with you bika? Stuff like that do happen. Get yourself prepared. That is why, and I said that was the reason why I first talked about budgeting. You understand? Set funds for emergencies, set funds for savings, set funds for other stuff. So as you are not going to get yourself overwhelmed when stuff like that do happen. So just be prepared. And then again, I am assuring you, by doing these things, guys, you are going to ensure or you are going to secure your financial future.